Alright, what's going on, guys? Eric Fishfuls here. I'm out here with Dr. Hookset.
What's up, guys?
This is my friend Devin. We're out here at a golf course. As you can see, it's pouring rain outside, but we're still gonna send it because it's like this every single day. And I'll leave his Instagram in the description as well as his YouTube, but he's kind of struggling on YouTube.
I'm gonna make a comeback.
Maybe in a couple years. But we're gonna get out to fish, and I'm gonna throw a chest mount on. Audio is probably gonna be crappy because I have a piece of plastic, so I forgot my waterproof case, but we're still gonna catch the fish. We'll see you guys out there. Oh, did you get him? Yeah. Nice, there you go. Ooh. There you go, first fish, guys. Devin, this is such a skinny bass.
You gotta fight through the elements to catch these big old bass. That's what we come out here for, boys.
Oh, I'm about to double you up.
Let's do it.
That's terrible, Cap. Oh! Oh my God! No, oh my! I tried to catch your freaking frog and I just got destroyed on a bat. Oh my God! Dude, it bent the wings backwards. Dude, the wings are about to break off. Dude, it bent the wings. That was a big one. Dude, I'm returning this and getting the bigger ones. The bigger ones are made out of like steel or whatever. And not, this one's made of aluminum. That's why it bent. Dude, come on, get away. Alright guys, change of plans. Devin broke off on his frog and my bat, the wings bent out. So he's going back to the car to get some more baits and then we're going to continue to fish. Alright guys, on the way back out, I switched to a frog and Devin's also put another frog on. He's using a black one now. I'm using a natural color. Hopefully get on some more fish. Got a fish right there. Got it. Fish. In the hydrilla. There we go, guys. First cast with the frog, and I double up with the stranger over there. Oh, come on, come out. I hooked this thing so bad. Holy crap. Come out. Oh, there you go, guys. First fish. He's bleeding some, so I'm going to get him back in the water, but that was the first cast with the frog. Alright, guys, just switched from the frogs. I had no more bites after the first cast to the Whopper Plopper 110. Let's see what it'll do for me. Oh, crap. Almost fell. Okay guys, just took the waterproof case off. It stopped raining. We're back catching toads. Oh, there's so many shad schooling. Oh my God, dude, that thing came like 2 feet out of the water. How do I not have a fish yet? I need to speed it up. My line got caught around an eye or something and I missed it. Stupid fish! I miss it. It's cloudy. Yeah. Oh my God! I get too excited and I just freaking destroy them. Okay, guys, we didn't get any more blow-ups we got more blow-ups. We didn't catch any more fish on top water, so we got some rattle traps. We're going to imitate some schools of shad and go catch some bass because they will not buy any top water right now. Very surprising. It's perfect conditions for it, but they just don't want it. So we're gonna go catch them on rattle traps. Got one. Oh, it came off. That's okay, he's tiny. He had to forget some. I don't know. I didn't really set the hook on that. Oh, I got another one. What the? Is it bluegill? What the heck? Dude, a giant freaking bluegill. Oh, I'm gonna get hooked.
Grab him. Do it fast.
Here we go. Giant freaking bluegill ate a rattle trap. It's crazy. First bluegill I've ever caught here. I knew it looked weird in the water. I was like, why is it so tall? There's one. Little one. There we go. First bass on a rattle trap. Guy hooked himself pretty good. Thought he's a lot bigger. No, here, today's. Not hooking me today, stupid. Anyways, there's the first bass on the rattle trap today.
Over here.
Yeah.
I was like, I just swearing to him.
There's one. I think it's a bluegill. Nope, it's a bass.
It really matters how it rattles.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Ooh, he almost got me. Just calm down. I'll let you go, I promise. Put your fin down. There we go. Third bass for me. That one on a frog and this one hooked. Oh, there we go. Third bass.
But like if I had him,
You got one? There's a grass. Hey, why are we catching all the dink? That's this is the smallest.
that's a big one.
Oh, off in my face. This is the smallest one today.
No!
There he's got.
Run! Got him.
Nah, a thick fish.
You eat the GoPro. That's a big one. Oh. That's it.
I'm gonna try out in the middle. Maybe they're out there. Dude, you're catching the big ones today.
I'm catching whales every cast. Yes.
Savage.
Catching whales every single
Come on, let me double him up, fish. Bite my freaking crankbait.
Double up on whales? No, that's not possible.
Oh, they didn't want mine.
You have to fight the conditions to catch big ones like this, guys.
Legit. Legit, the only spot they bite is by where we always. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Fuck off! Oh, I hit my. Crew's getting him off. Oh, that hurt. Where? I made it. The fastest I've ever ran in my life. Oh, I thought.
Oh,
What?
it's busting right there.
I'm gonna sink for a second. I have it.
Oh shit! Oh, you got one.
Oh, what the? Oh, I never even reeled. I just cast it and let it sit.
Okay.
Ski.
That's a big one. That's a big for day, right? I think it is.
Ugh.
Okay,
Yeah.
it is.
Dude, that thing is so skinny. Oh my god. Dude, I don't even think it's the heaviest, but it's the longest. It ate it completely sideways. There we go. Longest fish. It's probably the heaviest just because how long it is, but as you can see, that fish is very malnourished.
Oh!
What, one missed right there?
Right there, dude. Flash that face. I don't know what that was. Oh, mosquito.
No. Try real slow. Not even grass. Oh, there's one. That feels like a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Unless it's in grass. It's either tangled or in grass.
Oh, yeah, that's a better
Oh, I knew that was gonna
I
happen.
was like, oh, he's like back trouble.
Oh, that's fine. He's about the same size as the other one.
Yeah, he's a little bit better.
It's okay. I forgive him. Just eat it. Oh. I have one. Oh my God, it's the tiniest bass ever. Yes.
I thought it came off.
No, it was that tiny. This guy's gonna hook me. You see the one like this big jumped right next to him. I'm like, oh, it came off. There we go. Another one on the rattle trap. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm sorry if it was short or if some of the clips were dark, but we just fished with the conditions we had because we haven't uploaded in a while and we needed to upload, and you know, just have to get things done. You know how it is. But on the way home now, I just dropped Devin off. I forgot to do the outro, and he reminded me, so I'm doing it right now. But hope you all enjoyed the video. Please do a like, comment, subscribe.